On the edge of Decatur in the Warrensburg-Latham School District and situated on over 33 acres of land. Welcome to 1250 North Wyckles Road. Come down the private drive to a home and property that is made of dreams. You'll enjoy quietness, privacy, nature, a private pond, and plenty of space outside to relax. Whether you're fishing or relaxing on the back deck, you have so many options to enjoy life. Come inside to even more relaxation with 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, and over 6,700 square feet of living space. This home is masterfully designed with an exceptional floor plan. The living areas are spacious and beautiful. You'll enjoy 2 full kitchens, theater room, recreation space, office, and a hobby room. This is a property you need to see in person. For more information, contact Abby Galladay with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate today.